What's up guys, Theo again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Time for a new boat on the channel, and what better way to use this ProBoat Blackjack 42-inch brushless 8S catamaran. Now it's ready to run, which is awesome. Basically all you need is batteries for the boat. Got the exclusive Spectrum Smart technology, which is Spectrum DX3 channel with DSMR built-in telemetry receiver. Can apparently run up to 55 miles an hour, 1350 kV, 4-pole brushless motor. Now if you want to go check it out, we bought this boat from RC Cruise Hobby, and they are in Australia as well, so RC Crew Hobbies. I'll leave the link down below if you want to go check them out. It's been on the market for a little while now, but it's new to us. I won't show how I open the box, but I'll just go through some of these specs on the side. So the beam is 15.24 inches, or nearly 387 millimeters. Hull length is 42.7, just over 1 meter in length. That's awesome. Whole construction is polycarbonate. Does have a Spectrum ESC 160 amp high voltage, and it is water cooled. Motor is a Spectrum Marine 4685 4-pole water cooled. Spectrum DX3 transmitter. Receiver is a telemetry receiver, and it says there top speed of 55 miles an hour. But I've just seen 4685 4-pole, and it's also 1350 kV. So I'll open the box and let's see what we get. Okay, here it is. We got the red and white and black scheme. I think it looks fantastic. Check out that. So what you get, obviously you get a transmitter. Very nice feeling transmitter. There's all your options and all that kind of cool stuff. Fantastic, ready to run transmitter, you know. For most people that would be more than you'd need. You also get instruction manual, and you don't even need AA batteries. It does include them as well. So all you need is the batteries for the boat, the aerial, instruction manual, and also a nice set of decals. But everything's on there that I'd want straight away. So check that out. But it's good that it gives you the option to change it up and stuff like that. You also do get a stand, and I must admit it's a really nice stand. It's kind of rebated in, so when you put the boat in, it just slides in there and locks away. But wow, that is beautiful. So it's obviously a catamaran style. Looks great. I do love this color scheme, but the black and red looks great as well. Let's have a look under here. I love that color scheme. Wow, check it out. So here we have your water cooled 160 amp high voltage ESC, your massive 4685 4-pole brushless motor, and that's got the water jacket around it. There we go there. You can see. Firma 1350 kV. So the SPM XMM 1000 is the number there. Check that out. That's beefy. So yeah, connectors here. I like that setup. No Dean's connectors up in this bad boy, but there we go. So there's all your tubing that keeps everything nice and cool. So runs out the side there, gets picked up, runs through the ESC, that tube, cools it down, runs back again, runs over here through the motor water jacket, and spitting out the side there as well. Here we have your receiver box. It's nicely sealed. Nice thick rubber tubing here as well to keep everything. Don't forget, you've got to put your aerial on top of that. Your massive steering servo. That's like a 1/5 scale. And we can move around here to the back. Got a nice little cap here to protect your rudder. All stainless steel hardware here. Nice 2-blade prop. Sweet, looks good, and I believe this would be like a little drain plug as well. So the boat you see here is completely stock. We're not going to run it at all like this. We'll be upgrading to the dual cooling system, upgrading the prop as well from RC Boat Bits, and a new wrap from Darkside Studio Arts, and checking out the new trim tabs as well from RC Boat Bits as well. So we're just going to see how we go. But if you're interested in this, guys, and you're in Australia especially, check out RC Crew Hobbies. I'll leave the link where we got it. Nice to support our local guys here in Australia, because it's pretty hard here in Australia as well, considering shipping and all that kind of stuff. Sometimes it's cheaper to buy overseas, but when we can support the local guys, we definitely will. So there is S904 Spectrum steering servo, and it is waterproof as well. Really nice beefy like linkages and everything. You just look at that, nice and thick, everything looks juicy. I'd like to see this little cover here as well. Check out this, that's nice. I guess, you know, protection as well, and keeps kind of like the grease and everything in there as well. Imagine if you get a wire wrapped up in there, that'll be the end of your boating day, that's for sure. Fairly quick video. I noticed we'll look at that nice alloy motor mount and the huge battery trays on either side. They keep the balance as well, because you can see you can fit the batteries there and batteries there as well. So awesome, massive. I do like it, but not much else to say. Next time you see it, we'll upgrade it and we'll put on the water. Let us know if you have any upgrades or any suggestions. Leave them down below in the comment section. I'd like to know about them. But quick video. Hope you guys liked it. What are your thoughts on the Blackjack 42-inch catamaran? I do love these Pro Boats, the way how they lock the top down. How you just screw them down. Same as the Sonic Wake down there. Great idea, because you don't have to worry about that bloody tape all the time. So you kind of just put them all evenly, put them down, screw them down like, you know, in a cross pattern. And yeah, so, you know, you can't just screw one down all the way, because sometimes you can't get the other screw in. So kind of just going to go like that. And that's it. But alright guys, I think that's about it. Happy days. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.